Hi guys, welcome back to our Tuesday chat, and today I am super excited to introduce you to Scarlette Douglas, who is a fantastic Channel 4 property presenter, and she is going to talk to us about her property shows, some tips on properties, and we're going to show us some properties in Antigua as well. Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good, thank you, and I'm very excited about seeing the properties here in Antigua because I absolutely love it here. I really do. In fact, I first came with A Place in the Sun, a show that I guess most people probably know me from, back in 2015. I came again in 2017. So to be back now and then to be able to be with you and getting to see more property is just perfect. It's a dream.
Well, we are so lucky to have you. And how has your stay been so far? Did you enjoy Carnival?
Yes, so I was over mainly for Carnival. The Antiguan tourist board flew me over, which was lovely. There were, I think, 5 of us in the group. And obviously we have Notting Hill Carnival in the UK and it's great, but doing it here, it was so different culturally, historically, just learning so much about it. It was an amazing experience. I can't even put into words how good it was.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
So you are doing lots of very cool property shows in the UK at the moment. Can you tell me a bit about them?
Yes, I absolutely can. So I have a show with my brother, which is called Worst House on the Street. It's basically people that bought the worst house on the best street, and then he and I go in and help them renovate it without breaking the bank. So we kind of get that high-end finish without spending a huge amount of money. And then at the end, we see how much value has been added to the properties of these homeowners.
What's it like working with your brother?
Do you know what? It's actually pretty cool. I think if it was my other brother, it'd be a nightmare because we're kind of like chalk and cheese. But with my oldest brother, it's a lot of fun. He loves to have fun on set, as do I. He's very knowledgeable about property. He was the one that got me into it in the first place. So for him, it's very much, he is the brains, and then I'm, I guess, more of the personality, and I do a lot more of the interior design side of things. So I will look at that aspect of any property, whereas he will look at, I guess, more of the architectural changes that can be done. So together as a duo, we work really well in business and then also as presenters.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Do you have like a top 3 tips when you're looking at property?
Yes, absolutely. Now, obviously, it depends what you're looking for at a property. If I was to be selling my place, I would say my 3 top tips is 1, declutter, because nobody wants to come into a property that is messy and just has a lot of stuff everywhere. It's quite off-putting. 2 would be to dress your property and stage it. You don't have to go all out. It hasn't got to look like a showroom, but make it look presentable, make it look somewhere that someone would actually want to come home to. That's important. And I would say as well, the 3rd one is make it smell nice. Believe it or not, sometimes you go into some properties and maybe people have animals, dogs, cats, whatever it is, and there's just a musty smell in the air. No one really wants that. So give it a good clean, maybe bake some bread. You know, the little things that, cookies, coffee, all those smells that make someone feel at home. Those would be my 3 top tips if I was to be selling my property. I would say if I was to buy, I would look out for certain things like what area is the property in, what's around in terms of amenities, maybe places that kids could go to school, what is it that you need and what's on your list. What space does the property offer? And that doesn't mean it has to be, oh, it's just a 2-bed and that's what I'm going for, but is it a 2-bed that you potentially could extend out the back, or is it somewhere that you can go into the loft conversion? You know, how would that work for you in the next 5 years? And also, most importantly, I think more than anything else, is affordability. Can you afford this property, or are you going to put yourself into hard times just because you've seen somewhere that you love and you think it fits the ideal? Or does it make maybe more sense to start off small first and then build up to that dream property?
They are excellent points. Thank you for those. And what's your other property show that you've got coming up?
So we have another one that's coming up, which is called, at the moment, working title, Can't Sell, Must Sell. So it's a competitive format with myself and my brother. And basically, it's people that have had properties sat on the market for quite a while. We get some people to come in and kind of view it and give their honest opinions on it. And the homeowners have to listen to those home truths about the property. And then my brother and I get a house each, and we go in and we have to do it up in a few days. And then we get the same people that viewed it in the first place to come back at the end, and they vote on which one they think is better and they would more like buy. So obviously I'm going to win, yes, because there is competition. But I'm really looking forward to it. It's a brand new format that will also be on Channel 4 sometime next year. And I'm just looking forward to getting started with that now. So unfortunately, I have to leave this paradise, head back to the UK, which is still raining in summer. But I love my job and I love what I do and I love walking around property, so it works. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers. So we've just been handed a rum punch.
Yes.
Which is always good mid-Tuesday.
Always good, indeed. And you have to, when you're in the Caribbean, if you don't have a rum punch, it's a crime. Yeah, I'm very happy to be here. I'm very happy to have had a chance to see a different side of the island as well. Especially with a place in the sun, it's very quick. You're literally in and out of properties. You don't get a chance to explore. Whereas here, you've got music, you've got food, you've got people, you've got so much to actually take in and embrace. And I've had a bit more time to do that this time round.
So we're here at Sheer Rocks. What are your first?
Is amazing. I've never been here. I hadn't even heard of it before. So to be here now, it's beautiful. I love places that are like this. I love the interior designers we kind of walked through. In fact, my parents are from Jamaica and I go back quite often, and there's a place in the Grill which is called the Rock House Hotel, and it's quite similar, and it's my favourite one there. So this potentially could be
your favourite
one of my new favourites here. Yeah, I love Hermitage Bay. I've seen that one, but this one, they're both up there, definitely.
Do you have a favourite beach in Antigua yet?
Oh, no, but I mean, you've got 365 to choose from. I need to move here for a year, experience a different one every day, and then I can let you know what my answer would be to that.
Oh, well, thank you so much for coming and seeing us, and I can't wait to show you all the properties.
Brilliant. So does that mean we have to down this? Do we have to drink up and
we might
go?
A little puddle in the pool,
perfect
drink,
and
leisurely go and see some property.
Leisurely is the perfect word that you use there, because I think we're going to need that after this.
We are.
All right, cheers.
Thanks for watching our Tuesday chat, and if you'd like to know more about Scarlette Douglas's new shows, check the description below. And if you want to follow her Instagram handle is also below. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.